Hi everyone, welcome. I'm so glad you're here on the farm with me today. So what I'm going to be doing today is some lather tests. And I've done several of these before, but I just like to show you what my soaps do because I think it's only fair for you to see what it is, if you're buying them, what you're buying. And also, I know some folks just enjoy these, and I enjoy doing them. So let's get to doing it. Anyway, so the first one we're going to be doing is the Spice of Life. And these are all soaps that I've made recently, so you can certainly go back and look those videos. I will be putting a description or a link to each of those videos as well if you want to see the making of these. And this was just a sample in piece. So let's get some water poured. All right. And on new soaps, you probably know this already if you're a soap maker, and if not, you kind of have to wash off the initial coating off of soap first, and it will work much better for you. This is kind of sharp-cornered because I didn't trim this up since it was just an end piece. That smells fantastic. Oh, that smells wonderful. Very nice. Oh yes, I'm very happy with that. That's tremendous. And my formulas are basically the same much of the time, but they vary depending on what it is I'm making, of course, because if I'm making a more conditioning soap, one that needs additional super fatting, like when you're making a pure coconut oil soap or an olive oil soap, there are going to be variations, but this is a recipe that I have found that works well for me. Okay, so let me pour this into another bowl here. And then I'm going to wipe this out. Pour some more water. And next we're going to do the Cambrian Mint. I just love how these came out. They're just so pretty, I think, and they smell wonderful. That Cambrian clay and the mint hydrosol is just delicious in these. And these are pumice bars. So it's much like it's very much an exfoliating, but a gentle exfoliation. I like pumice bars. Now I'm also, actually, the video after this will be some salt bars that I've recently made as well, but I did want to share this with you. So I don't really have enough water here to give this one as good a demonstration as I'd like, but I'm trying to conserve water here. Okay, so let me set that aside. Oh, it's let off. Very nice. And again, a great smell. Now they both slid off, right? That's okay. All right. Very happy with that. A great suds. Very, very nice. Okay, let's try our next one here. This was the Cactus, the Golden Glory soap that I made. And does have a partial gel in it, so it's not the prettiest soap, but I like it. Oh, guess we need our water, don't we? Yeah, that cactus, just, I don't know what it does, but it just really boosts the bubble in this. It reminds me a lot of when I use aloe in my avocado soap. It just adds those delicious bubbles. Aren't those great? Now, I could certainly boost the bubbles by using a squishy or a washcloth or something, but I just want to show you, just washing your hands and face, just alone, what a great lather you get with that. So I want to thank you all so very much for joining me for this today. I had a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoyed this as well. And be watching for my upcoming video tomorrow on my salt bars, which I had a lot of fun making. And thanks again for all that you do. You're a wonderful group of people, and even when I'm depressed, speaking to all of you is such a big help, and I just want to tell you how much I appreciate that. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Goodbye.